Look from physical domains, we see that people have a lot of manual handling, lifting, pushing. You all had a plant visit and you also are in some other plants of this particular institute. तो आप देखते भी होंगे कि उनके जो वर्क डिमांड्स है वो एक स्पेसिफिक कंपोनेंट्स में होते हैं. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल एक पर्टिकुलर स्टेशन पे उसको बेंड करके कुछ तो वर्क करना पड़ता है या एक रेपिटेशन ऑफ टास्क बहुत होता है. सो दीज आर द वर्क or the tasks that they will encounter quite a lot. And when we look from the orthopedic point of view, there are constant complaints that we encounter, and खास करके backache तो बहुत होता है, backache, neck pain, shoulder pain. So all these complaints are constant components. So as medical practitioners, our concerns are several. We deal with orthopedic problems तो है ही है, spinal disorders, gas, burns, scars, रेस्पिरेटरी कॉम्प्लिकेशंस, ये बहुत सारे कंप्लेंट्स होते हैं. बीइंग अ फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट एंड बीइंग फ्रॉम एन ऑर्थोपेडिक इंस्टीट्यूट, आवर फोकस इज गोइंग टू बी मोर फ्रॉम द ऑर्थोपेडिक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. इन ऑटोमोबाइल सेक्टर्स, टू ऑफ द मेजर कंप्लेंट्स दैट वी एनकाउंटर, अपना नसीब अच्छा है कि ट्रॉमा इज द लीस्ट, बट फिर भी दीज आर थिंग्स दैट वी कैन एनकाउंटर. So we all are well prepared that active injury, accidents हुआ, गिरा, लगा, safety precautions तो बहुत maintain करने पड़ते हैं. So the concern of the topic is not of this type of injuries, because I guess all of you are much more better at managing than any of us. What we are going to talk a lot is the cumulative trauma disorders. All of us are aware of this. We call it as cumulative trauma disorders, repetitive stress injuries. So जो भी problems repetitively काम करने से, from doing a task again and again over a period of time. Okay, so let's imagine our workers working for 8.5 hours duty, around 5 to 6 days a week, doing any production task. वो पेंटिंग कर रहा है, वो इंजन सेक्शन में है, जो भी इसमें है, doing this task for a prolonged period. तो आप अगर हम एक सिंपल एक्टिविटी भी करते हैं, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल उसको लेट्स इमेजिन स्क्रू और नट को फिट करना है, रख देना है, स्क्रू और नट को फिट करना है, रख देना है. 1 मिनट में he has to do let's say 30 times. यानी in 1 hour he will do 60 into that 60 minutes into that 1 minute का, that 30 into 60. Assuming कि 8.5 hour में उनका लंच ब्रेक और नॉन रेपिटेटिव टास्क सब छोड़ा, तो कम से कम 5 घंटा तो उसका एक्चुअल प्रोडक्शन वर्क होता है. So we are talking of 5 hours into this 60 minutes into that 30 repetitions. यानी इतने जो repetitions हो रहे हैं, these are the things that turn to be very disastrous. बहुत बार we have our workers coming to us complaining of some complaints कि I am having some pain in my shoulder, और ये करते हैं इधर किधर तो पेन हो रहा है करके, and we frequently tell them एक्सरे निकालो या MRI करो, and 90% of the times नॉर्मल आ जाता है, कुछ नहीं है, एक्सरे पे कुछ नहीं है, MRI पे कुछ नहीं है, एंड अपने मन में कहीं ना कहीं आता है ये फेक रहा है, कुछ नहीं हुआ इसको. So but the issue is, problem with cumulative trauma disorders is these are hidden injuries. These are injuries that are there, लेकिन इन्हें डायग्नोज किया नहीं जा सकता. अपने जो रूटीन इन्वेस्टिगेशंस है, am I okay with English or should I be in Hindi also? Was pardon me, my Hindi is very bakwas, I can't help it. So English will be better. Yeah, thank you sir. So if you are actually looking at these particular problems from a medical point of view, most of these times these problems cannot be diagnosed very easily because our routine investigations cannot pick up these problems. Max to max sometimes we go for a USG and देखने के लिए कि एक्चुअली कुछ नोट हुआ है क्या, एंड कभी-कभी एक पर्सनल इन्फ्लेमेशन या कुछ आ जाता है. But the thing is, these complaints are extensive. We have so many of our workers coming to us with neck, back, knee, shoulder, hip. I mean, see, from a physiotherapist point of view, we are happy हमें गिराइक मिल रहे हैं. But then the thing is, imagine from that person's point of view as to actually support his family, and we are the people, all of us, who are actually taking care of them. So I think we are playing a very pivotal role in management of all these people. Not them, उनकी पूरे family का भी ख्याल अपने पास आता है. So we are really instrumental in all those things. Of these things, the concern of this particular component is maximum back and neck. Because these are the types of injuries that all of us encounter the most. And यहाँ पे भी problem है कि how many of these injuries are true injuries and false injuries. Actually, do we have so many types of injuries? So, of course, prevalence of low back pain is very high in industrial workers, and this can be The causative factors can be multiple: the schedule, the design of the working atmosphere, and the environment and everything. This is one of our publication. This is published in International Journal of Occupational Safety and Ergonomics. This is on PubMed on factors predisposing to work-related low back pain in automobile industry workers. Why do they get the problems, especially back pain, जो commonest complaints है, वो क्यों होते हैं? And why am I talking about the back pain? I'll just tell you in a minute. What we found out in this study, we assessed around 1,800 workers, and what we found out that of these 1,167, यानी 64% population had back pain, and this was not from one industry. These were from various automobile industries. We are going into other places also, and this was something very alarming. If we are talking of MVML in Pune, in this particular component, this was what we found out. So of the patients or the clients or the workers who were reporting for neck, upper back, lower back, shoulder and all, the huge concern is this fellow here. So if we actually understand, or if we just look at these problems from an orthopedic perspective, the percentage of patients or clients with low back pain in this particular setup also is around 46 to 47%. And this is something that needs very good amount of attention from all of us. The reason for this particular thing, when we actually assessed, as I said, we have got a publication on this. This is on PubMed, and now this is internationally accepted. Why an automobile industry worker should have a lot of back pain? The primary causes were three. First was there was a reduction in core strength. Reduction in core strength, that is the innermost muscles of our trunk, the transverse abdominis, internal, external obliques, and so, which actually give a good amount of stabilization to our spine. These muscles were a bit challenged, they were compromised. Kitna kya, I will show you in a minute. Second commonest problem what we found, the reason was there was a loss of flexibility. And third, which was again equally important, is the work posture in what they are doing their tasks or activities. So core strength was found to have a very strong association with back pain, and that's why we say it is a very crucial factor. So इसमें से जो दो फैक्टर हमने बात किया, core strength and flexibility, this is generally all of us can look into. As a physiotherapist, we look into it a lot more. Work posture is something where all of us have to contribute equally. I mean, there is nothing like a specialization. If we are part of this institute, this is part of our job now. So core strength, this was one of the major considering factor. And what was found was, are all of us aware of the gradations of muscle strength? Grade 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Grade 0 being absent. Zero strength, no strength in our body. So अगर मैं biceps देख रहा हूँ, resisted करके, so 0 is no ability to lift my hand, and grade 5 is with strongest resistance I am able to do my work. ये biceps का बात कर रहा हूँ. Similar, there is a method of assessment for core strength. What is found was, workers in automobile industries had somewhere around grade 2 muscle strength. Grade 0 is no strength, 1 is weak, 2 is poor, and then we have fair, moderate, good also. So, see, understand, so many people we are handling who are having such a poor amount of core strength. That just basically means anything that they are doing, any lifting activity, moving activity, whatever they are doing, they are going to strain their back no matter what. And that is the reason why managing their core strength, giving them a good amount of strengthening protocol is very important. Again, there were some EMG studies which were also done to know the pattern of recruitment and everything. I'm not going to the details on it. What I would just like to highlight is the need for core muscle strengthening. Okay. Second was flexibility. Flexibility is what we say ability to move, like ability of our joints to move across a particular movement. So simple, अगर हम देखते हैं तो if I'm standing, my ability to touch my toes. हम लोग सीधा करते हैं या बैठ के हम लोग टच करने की कोशिश करते हैं. So this is a simple measurement of flexibility. Now, अपना back का muscles, what we call as the dorsolumbar fascia and hamstrings, these are the two structures that are maximally tight. And again, in automobile workers, there was a loss of flexibility by around 6 centimeters. So normal population को अगर आप flexibility measure करते हो, and to our workers with their task demands and everything, 6 centimeters reduction in flexibility means there is almost 7 to 8 times increase in load on the spine muscles. Again, this is a matter of concern. These are not very difficult things to manage. These challenges are not very difficult. The thing is, we don't know कि ऐसे कोई problems होते थे, and that's the reason why we are talking of these particular things. And the third important component, what we all must have already observed, was the working posture. So if we, for example, if I have to comment on your postures, and I'm a physiotherapist, मेरा काम ही है सबके posture पे comment करना वैसे भी. So if I have to comment on any of the postures, the way we sit, do we take a back rest or no? Is our spine straight? Is our spine supported? Are we sitting stoop? ये देखने से भी पता चलता है या ये देखने से भी समझता है कि who amongst us is having a back pain or is predisposed to a back pain. And as doctors, तो अपना ये काम है ही देखना. If we are looking at our particular workers, for example, the amount of bending that they have to do for their spine, जो static load आने वाला, this is going to be a lot. And also when we are talking of lot of activities, if we just look into our workers, they do a lot of standing, bending, twisting, squatting, kneeling, ये बहुत सारे activities करते रहते हैं repetitively over a period of time. All these can land up to loading of their spine and thus causing a postural problem. There is a scale, if any of you is interested, you can just Google for it. It's called as REBA, Rapid Entire Body Assessment. It's a very simple scale which actually looks at posture of a person. आप एक फोटो भी लेके उसमें जैसे अभी हमने फोटो पे लाइंस ड्रॉ किए थे, we can draw it. And it has again a scale. 0 means no risk. And it is 0 to 9 का scale. 9 means highest risk of postural problem. यानी the way that person has that posture or position during work is very, very, very risky at 9. What we found out was, in our sector, the people who are, the workers are at 6.5. 0 is no risk, 9 is highest risk. So यानी हम समझ सकते हैं the amount of risk our workers are at because of the postures. Okay, and that is the reason why an engineer can design these equipments. They can design how your working platform can be, how your workstation can be. But as a medical practitioner, as a doctor, we all can just look at कि उसमें human factor कैसे आना चाहिए. Of course, this is very important work. जितना important हमारे लिए manufacturing of these vehicles है, उतना ही important हमारे लिए ये लोग भी है. And small changes, like I just like to quote a very small example. In one of our field visits at MVML, we had one sector जहाँ the worker का nature of the work was जो robotic work चल रहा था welding का, he had to just put in a plate. Now the way he had to put in a plate was, he was standing at a point and he had to bend and put it. Okay, यहाँ there was a safety grid, safety barrier. What we simply did was, because the distance was way too much, we did a small cut in that section. So rather than here, we did a small cut here so that the worker can be still within the safe zone be here. And instead of bending so much, उसका bending ये level पे आया. So you can understand the small change. इतना छोटा सा change से भी the complaints of low back pain from that particular section, I'm not going to name the section, of course कहाँ से था वो, but from that it actually reduced drastically because that particular section manual handling of work बहुत ज़्यादा था. So it was a very small suggestion, not very expensive, not going to cost lakhs or crores to the company. Of course we need to take care of these issues also. A very small change, not harming the person, not putting him at a risk, yet reducing the load, static loading on the spine immensely. So इतने छोटे changes भी हम लोग कर सकते हैं. We all have this capacity. So our role should not be limited only to the occupational health centers जहाँ पे we have our clients coming. We can be experts in even looking at the man-machine interface in the plant. Of course, we all are aware that there are rules of our own institute. So what suggestions we give should be in accordance with the managerial strategies. But we need to look into these aspects to increase the productivity also. And when we are talking of static or non-ergonomic postures, there are a lot. Now all of these are not from this particular company. Some are from the net. Some are from some other companies where we have been doing an occupational survey. If you can identify the company from the dress code keep it to yourself. If you can't identify, forget it. Because as I said, there are some company norms and policies, so the non-disclosure is one of them. So if we look at the way a particular worker has to bend for doing a welding activity or polishing, now this is not from any company, so this is just of this particular photo is of the net. The polishing worker, if you can actually look at the way his posture is to do that particular activity, or when they are doing, for example, engine fixing, the way their posture is. There are a lot of things. Now imagine a young 25-year-old fellow. This we all know is the worst position that anybody can work. It's a bent spine with a twisting motion. यानी अगर हम spine की बात करते हैं facet की, मुझे उसको देख के पता ही है मेरा आगे का गिराई क्या है. Why? He is predisposed to getting a prolapsed intervertebral disc, a slip disc very fast. Because और प्लस ये करने के लिए he has to actually bend and apply a lot of force. So ये छोटी-छोटी चीजें अगर हम कर सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं. Of course, all of us will now start asking, okay, it's very easy to point out a problem. Solution क्या है इसका? We are going to come to that. बिना solution देखे तो अपना कोई मतलब भी नहीं बनेगा. So then again the confined environment in which they are. I'm not sure how clear the photo is at your end, but he is actually at the rear end of the car, and it's a welding area, and he is really in a very constrained place. So even if we expect him to have a good amount of truncal mobility, he will not be in a position to do that. And there are again, as I said, heavy equipments handling, the way the arc welding is done, or simply the way they carry equipments, tools carrying the door. Okay, if you are talking of our own vehicles, at times manually भी करना पड़ता है. We all know that this particular door frame is not very light, right? Anybody tried lifting it? We should. I mean, हमारे ऐसे शौक था इसलिए हमने करके देखा. It is something very heavy to move. एक चीज भी है. And these people, our colleagues, our own colleagues here, have to do this repetitively over a period of time. And that's why we have to really think, what can we do for it? How can we help? What can we propose to our management, or how can we make things more better for them? And there are other associated factors. You all have a session after this on team building and psychological aspects. I'm absolutely not going to talk about this. I'm not even the expert in this subject. But just to know that stress itself can be one of a very huge factor. So we look at a person, we do not understand what goes on along their other things. उसके घर में क्या चल रहा होगा, whether he is suffering from any other issues, बच्चे के एडमिशन का टेंशन है, बीबी प्रेग्नेंट है, और मतलब we see person at a work, we never think that there can be something beyond all these things. So ये चीजें भी जानना जरूरी है. Automation अभी अपने यहाँ बहुत अच्छा है. If you have looked at the plant, for example, XUV 500, it's like a completely automated area, very beautiful. Maximo is challenged a bit, a lot of manual task and handling needs to be worked over there. So ये भी variabilities है. Of course, it is important because इससे ही गाड़ी के costing में भी फर्क पड़ेगा. You cannot compare these two vehicles also. But automation and work strain, manual lifting, congestion or improper working areas, all these contribute a lot. And plus, of course, there is monotonicity, dissatisfaction, same काम, same तरीके से. So there are huge reasons. How can we overcome all these as a different thing? And unfortunately, what is happening is we say हम लोग evolve हुए हैं, progress हुए हैं, and our evolution has gone finally God knows where. Okay. So what can we do? What do we feel we can do? Any suggestions? By the way, ये जो background का photo डाला है ना, this is a reverse gear of the car, अपने vehicle का. And having a reverse gear is for two reasons. First, as doctors, we all look at humans. For those humans, they are machines. But for us, our workers are also like machines. So when we talk of their motions, we talk a lot on biomechanical analysis. We talk a lot on forces, motions, and also as a physiotherapist, कभी-कभी हम भी लोगों को as a machine ही देखते हैं. और reverse gear का दूसरा एक importance मुझे ऐसा लगा कि the objective of this meeting is not just to translate knowledge. If we are going to apply them for the workers, how can we reverse their problems also? Is something that we need to. So I thought a reverse gear would be a very symbolic thing, because how can we reverse the gears of the degeneration of our own workers, our own colleagues, is something that maybe we can take from this meet also. So yeah, what can we do? I'm asking questions because as I said earlier, I know this is a post-prandial session, लोगों को बड़बड़ सुन के नींद बहुत आती है, और अभी I heard you guys, I've just come from a plantation drive. मैंने वो I was just looking at the schedule and कोई 2-3 lectures के इसमें plant doctors करके लिखा है, तो I was a bit confused. Plantation drive, plant doctors, plant क्या किया exactly? So okay, so you are the back. Come on, क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग? What can we as doctors do for taking care of our? Yeah. If it's okay, if you don't answer, well, I'm here to do that. So let's go ahead. We talk a lot on ergonomic solutions. Ergonomic by definition means managing the worker to the work, not the work to the worker. Generally we all have this component key. Person has to match the needs and demands of the job. Ideal definition of ergonomics is job has to match the needs and demands of the person. So yeah, ergonomics deals a lot with fitting of the person, rules of the work, making the task human friendly, and human-machine interface. So we generally talk a lot on encourage ergonomic solutions. What all of us can tell them. So have ergonomic training sessions and components. हमारा नाम उधर एज एक्सटर्नल फैकल्टी लिखा हुआ है आज के लेक्चर के लिए, बट आई एम वेरी श्योर डॉक्टर भामरे, डॉक्टर जगदीश विल वाउच फॉर इट. वी आर एज इंटरनल फैकल्टीज बिकॉज वी हैव बीन कमिंग हियर सो मेनी टाइम्स टू have some other ergonomic solutions implemented. I'm not bragging on myself. What I'm saying is this particular institute has taken such excellent efforts to implement ergonomic solutions, which has actually helped in reducing problems and increasing productivity. And really why we love coming over here is that positive vibes that we get when we come to Mahindra at Chakhand. So this is and that's what I'm talking of. Conduct ergonomic solutions. You are expert people, you can do it, but then बहुत बार घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर होती है. So sometimes you have to call some external person. वो बोलते हैं ना, कान क्या करने का काम, प्रिक करने का काम सोना नहीं कर सकता है, वैसे हो जाता है कभी कभी. So get somebody, let them talk to your people. We have conducted good amount of sessions over here for the workers, office workers, field workers, what they should do, what should be their good postures, how they should come to report their problems to the occupational health center. How can we choose the proper equipments, tools, jobs? How can we have a good, like when there is a need or demand of a job कि मिलके काम करना होता है, तो किस तरीके से it can be done? Exercise. One thing that we want to start over here is this. We have successfully started a session in one other company. It's not an automobile company. It's a heavy machinery manufacturing company in Pimpri only. We have started with warm-up sessions pre-work. जैसा हम लोग स्पोर्ट्स में देखते हैं, कोई भी क्रिकेट देखते हैं, कोई भी स्पोर्ट्स देखते हैं, every athlete does a good amount of warm-up, फिर वो खेलने जाता है क्योंकि इंजरीज नहीं होते. What about our workers? Do they do a warm-up और वो ऐसे आके काम शुरू कर देते हैं? So what we started in that particular company is a good amount of warm-up. I'm very sure Dr. Surashri is here. She would love to have a small session on what warm-up and stretching would be. कि किस तरीके से छोटे-छोटे activities से we can improve the blood circulation, make the person ready, so that when he hits the work, the risk of injury reduces. And we have got a very, very excellent result in the other company also. And as I said, exercise is something that all of us are lazy about. We as doctors also, many of us don't. I'm not saying all of us. Many of you might be doing exercises, but still many people are lazy towards exercises. कौन इतना मेहनत करेगा करके? So this is something that we need to install in everybody. We talked on core and core weakness. After this session, ma'am is going to take a small demo on how basic core strengthening exercises can be given. Some maybe 3-4 exercises that we'll show, which you can also do very safe, and you all can try and implement it amongst your workers also. And second, flexibility training. Both of these will be showing us. एंड रिलेटेड टू द posture, जो हमने बोला था कि दूसरा एक जहां हमारा सबका काम आता है इज posture and correction. So very important is workspace distribution. For example, this is not your actual workplace, but suppose you are going to use this workplace, so there is a lot of clutter. पानी की बोतल है, आपके कैप्स है, बहुत सारे गुलाब के फूल भी है जो आप खेल रहे हो सब लोग उससे, बहुत सारे थिंग्स, there are a lot of things that we are actually having in front of us. इसमें से काम की चीज कौन सी है? अभी अरे पानी पीना भी है, बट कितना, मतलब how frequently are you going to drink water? After every half an hour, 20 minutes, 15 minutes? So what I'm trying to say is, if we think कि you think for your own workstation designing या आपके workers के लिए भी कि what should be the most used things should be kept in your elbow span, occasionally use things in this span and rarely use things outside this span. Okay, so if we just start designing the work center, कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं, हम लोग जाके देखेंगे भी आप हम सब लोग, तो भी we can come to know कि yeah, this is right, this is wrong, this is something that needs to be changed or something. Give suggestions in a very nice way, because sometimes because people don't like getting suggestions also. तो हमने भी उनको कभी-कभी बहुत प्यार मोहब्बत से समझाया, and then you know people start implementing and things work better. Then I talked about postures and how are we sitting. So that's what I said, now we can look and understand if somebody is sitting like this or how your spinal curvature should be when you work. So sitting and standing both. Okay, how for example you see somebody on the station doing work and how his work position is, how is he moving, what is he doing, so that will also matter a lot while working. Erect, back straight. If the work is very high, suppose shoulder level के ऊपर काम करना है, तो the entire platform can be raised in order to reduce the load on the heart and on the upper extremities. So ये छोटे छोटे changes हैं that the company can also incorporate, which we can also suggest. As I told you, अभी for example finishing करना है, polishing करना है, so the raised work platform making him more comfortable to do that particular task. Using a raise, we have already talked about it. Suppose you are using heavy machinery, for example welding gun, ठीक है, it is suspended. All of you have seen how the welding gun is, right? Yeah, suspended कैसा रहता है. So उसमें भी still there will be some amount of load on your hands. So if we can hold it closer with a straight spine and it's still going to weld away, so it's not close to us, हमें the worker को कोई risk नहीं है उसमें. This straight posture is also extremely important, how we can be working. So observe, what my basic suggestion is that whenever you take a round, if you are not taking a round, take a round. If you are taking a round, observe what goes on, what can you do, what can you suggest. At times the company won't like it, but yeah, we need to sometimes suggest for some recovery breaks or non-repetitive tasks. So sometimes we have to use our own, because we all are doctors, we are amongst the highly intelligent people over in the entire plant. So how can we actually try and implement changes in a good way so that the company is also not having any issues, plus we can enhance productivity. How can we be part of this? Try and have a good, जैसा पहले मैंने बताया था, congested clutter work area really doesn't help anybody. Good free working environment so that there is no risk of fall, no, good amount of space to rotate, move around. Workstation designing should be opt. If possible, wherever possible, reduce the human machine interface ताकि injuries का predisposition कम हो जाए. Mechanization जितना भी हो सके, again these are beyond our jurisdictions, we cannot help it, but what has been found is automated production lines with good hydraulic suspensions, they actually help in reducing the load on the worker, gets good productivity. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe in the next 10 years, have it in your mind so that when we all discuss the company reformation policies, these can come, because nobody is going to, you can't say tomorrow I want to change and it's going to cost 50 crores to the company. I mean, nobody is going to take your advice. So how can we get these works incorporated? Again, and this is all proved by research. So I'm not just talking जो मैं मन की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, जो कुछ evidence based है वही बोल रहा हूँ. Again, studies have shown that robotic devices with good manual material handling, good assemblies, they reduce a lot on loading on the spine, cause better productivity of the companies, and plus some safety tips that are good for us also and for the workers also. Not to lift object over the head, not to avoid twisting. जैसा मैंने reaching of obstacles के लिए बोला था, avoided pacing during working activities. Having good lifting techniques, postures, alternate tasks. So repetitive tasks को alter करके भी you can reduce the loads. You can talk with the supervisors. The workers will not know this. If you can have a discussion with the supervisors, what can be done or thought about. Again, it's just a brain thought. Use brakes to divide heavy load. And yeah, of course, exercise. I'm going to preach a lot on exercise. We are going to have a very good session later, which will actually talk on why it is important to work our brain together as a one team, and why it is important to relax you. Those of you who can try and have these sessions in your companies. If you are already doing it, congratulations. Family time is equally important. And yeah, last but not the least, exercise and exercise. There is